Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see make two columns in Google Docs. We start by opening Google Docs and inserting our text. After that, we go somewhere in the text and go to the Format menu. Then click on Columns and choose a type of configuration. For more options, we could customize the design. After that, we will see that the text is divided into columns. To choose where to end the text of a column, we will go to the Insert menu. Then, we enter Jumps and choose Column Jump. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Next, we will see that from there the text passes to the next column and we can continue in it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.